One of our favorite animals that can be frequently spotted on the Indian River Lagoon is the bottlenose dolphin. Join us in today's adventure as we kayak a familiar area where we've had some of our best dolphin encounters. Hi all, welcome back to the channel and our kayaking adventures. Today we launched our kayaks from the Eau Gallie Causeway boat ramp, which is located on the eastbound lane of the Eau Gallie Causeway. Our plan was to paddle north past Dragon Point, which is the southernmost tip of Merritt Island, paddle up the Banana River past Mather's Bridge in hopes that we would spot some dolphin feeding on the fish along the seawalls. We generally have a great deal of luck when searching for dolphin in this area, and during this adventure, our luck would continue as we did see quite a number of bottlenose dolphin. As we kayaked along the causeway, we did happen to pass a sunken vessel, which sadly we find to be a common sight along the Indian River Lagoon. Who knows how this boat became a derelict? A sad tale for the owner. The birds, however, were loving their new perch. If you're new to this channel, you might be wondering, where did the southernmost tip of Merritt Island get the name Dragon Point? Well, many years ago, back in 1971, the property owner constructed a 65-foot long, 35-foot high dragon statue made out of concrete and steel. Over the years, as the property changed hands, the new property owners would add even more detail to the dragon, including adding a tail and eventually some hatchlings. The dragon served as a lagoon landmark for both locals and boaters. Sadly, in 2002, after standing tall for over 30 years, Annie the Dragon was badly damaged and partially collapsed into the lagoon during a storm. Soon after, vandals would also contribute to the statue's destruction. To the left, you can see the remnants of the dragon sitting in the water. It's always fascinating to paddle by and visualize putting the pieces back together. As we pass by the remains, Miss Kayak 7 Seas is way ahead of us. She has spotted some active dolphins swimming about. The Indian River Lagoon bottlenose dolphin is by far the most majestic marine mammal around. Weighing in from 400 to 1,200 pounds, with a length of 5 to 13 feet, it is the apex predator of the Indian River Lagoon. The dolphins in the Indian River Lagoon are a subspecies to the Atlantic bottlenose dolphin. Due to the dolphin being born in the Indian River Lagoon system and typically never leaving it, they are around 20% smaller in comparison to the Atlantic bottlenose dolphin. Because of their smaller size, they can easily maneuver the shallow waters in the lagoon.
Yeah, since the boats ran over your dolphin. Oh, there it is.
Even though seeing a dolphin is a fairly common occurrence while paddling Florida's intracoastal waterways, we certainly enjoy every minute of it. When searching for dolphins, you always want to listen around you. You'll hear them splashing around while they're on the hunt, or you'll hear them as they surface to take a breath of air. They typically can hold their breath for up to 8 to 10 minutes, but usually surface more often.
There's two there. There's two in front of that boat.
Oh! Oh! Did you see it? Right here! Right here! Oh!
Here, dolphin, 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 dolphin.
Hey, go deeper. That one shows the tails. Oh, there's two there. I saw the three of them.
Boy, that poor boat is right now.
Oh! Look at that. There are three. Did you? Ah, yes. Let me go that one. And we can fix this. See, that one is kind of along the shore. So.
Turn up there.
Woohoo! Then I jump. In my dance. Yeah, three or four or five. I have no idea.
3, 4.
See? You cannot count it. It's kind of hard.
Yeah, it's that fourth, I think that's that fourth dorsal.
But it doesn't mean only though. It can be underneath.
Keep an eye out on bird activity. That's another key sign. Birds such as pelicans and anahinga track dolphin because where the dolphin are, that's where the fish are. Birds will use the dolphin as a larger target in the water, which show them where the fish are. After quite a show, it was time to move on. We decided to paddle up the Banana River toward Mathers Bridge, another area with a high presence of dolphin. Mathers Bridge is a 700-foot swing bridge which spans the Banana River, connecting southern Merritt Island to Indian Harbor Beach. The bridge is one of only 7 remaining Pony Trust swing bridges in the state of Florida. The bridge opens on demand for boaters that wish to pass through, and it is fascinating to watch. However, during this day on the water, there was no boat activity requiring the bridge to swing open.
Are you trying to splash?
Huh?
Are you going to splash? I'm behind you and you're splashing.
we had quite a show. There was probably 20 dolphin splashing about. Then they all disappeared. Even the birds have left. No fish, no dolphin.
Oh my goodness!
We hope you enjoyed watching our dolphin expedition. We were quite lucky to see so many on this day. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and leave us a comment. Thank you for all your support you have given this channel.